But why in the world can't we all go down, just say, hey, stop running so you don't hurt yourself. Stop running so you stay safe. Why can't we just all say that? Why do some people have to say, come here, go back and show me you know how to walk? Yeah, well, think about that. I think that we do it because we try to teach kids. That makes sense for some kids. We're trying to teach them patterns, and maybe we take our whole classroom out and say, this is how it looks in the hall. That makes sense. But for us to get into a battle by saying, come back and show me you know how to walk. Number one, kids know how to walk before they run. That just an FYI. Number two, there isn't a cop in the world that's going to pull you over, give you a ticket, and then say, now go back and show me you know how to drive slow. Right? Ain't going to happen. So think about that. So if every teacher in that building said, hey, make sure you're walking, make sure you're walking, make sure you're walking, or walk, whatever. Every teacher said that, simple script. About 6 weeks into school, 8 weeks into school, whatever it might take, depends on your population, kids see an adult coming around the corner, what are they gonna do? They're gonna walk. If we all enforce those simple things, all they have to do is see us now and they'll correct their behavior. Think about it. The state police have done a wonderful job, right? They put a car in the median, there's not even a person in it, right? And what do we all do? Yeah, you're going 45 and a 70 and you're like, whoa, I better slow down, all right? Because they have done such a good job at putting something in place that's consistent that we have now learned to manage ourselves because of it.
Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.